Neon lights hang tired above the street, the colors melting in the rain like fading dreams. People somewhere laugh in warm bright rooms, but the night out here is cold than it seems. A bus rolls by with fogged up windows, its lonely engine humming distant themes. Christmas songs drift faintly from a shout, but their sparkle doesn't reach my chest. Rain keeps falling where the snow should be, turning silver nights into a quiet test. The city wears its shining colors, but somehow never gives my heart a rest. Reflections move like ghosts inside the puddles, red and green dissolving into blue. Every drop that hits the pavement sounds like something I once knew. If joy is hiding in this weather, it's hiding far away from view. Neon bells are glowing softly, but they ring for someone else tonight. Christmas in the rain feels heavy, like a shadow walking out of sight. And though the city keeps on shining, my soul just can't believe